Hello, welcome to Mandarin Chinese. Tone refers to the pitch contour of a syllable. In Mandarin Chinese, each syllable carries a specific pitch pattern, and when the tone changes, the meaning of the word changes completely. Mandarin has 4 basic tones and a neutral tone. Today we are going to learn how to pronounce these 4 basic tones and 1 neutral tone. In most romanization systems, such as pinyin, the tone is indicated either by a diacritic mark placed above the main vowel or by a numeral tone number written after the syllable. Now, are you ready? Let's practice how to pronounce this 4 basic tone and a neutral tone in Chinese Mandarin. And to make this lesson easier to understand, I will use the syllable ma as an example. Today, let's go into explore the music of Chinese, its tone, and see how each tone gives a complete different meaning to the same sound. The first tone in Chinese is a level tone. When you pronounce it, it's high and flat. Please read after me. Ma, ma. Ma in Chinese means mother. The second tone in Chinese actually is a simple contour tone, and it's a rising tone. When you pronounce it, you'll have to rise the tone, just like a question. Please read after me. Ma, ma. And ma in Chinese means numb. The third tone in Chinese is a complex contour tone. You have to fall first and then rise. It's a falling, rising tone. Now let's read after me. Ma, ma. Ma in Chinese means horse. The fourth tone in Chinese is a simple contour tone, which is a sharp falling tone. Please read after me. Ma, ma. Ma in Chinese means scold. Okay, now let's review the fourth tone together. The first tone, ma, ma. The second tone, rising tone, ma, ma. The third tone, falling, rising tone, ma, ma. The fourth tone, a sharp falling tone, ma, ma. Good job, perfect. Now there is a last tone in Chinese Mandarin, which is a neutral tone. Actually, when you pronounce it, it should be light, short, and unstressed. Please read after me. Ma, ma. And ma in Chinese normally used as the modal particle, and it often placed at the end of the statement. And when it placed in the end of the statement, normally it will turn this sentence into a question. Repeat with me again. Ma, ma. Good, well done. I will see you in my next lesson. Bye.